3, 2, 1.
What's up everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, March 19th, 2018. Hope you're having a great start to the week. I don't know how you cannot have fun with the market right now. It's insanely exciting, everything going on, the advancements in the technology, all the cool stuff coming out, and all the cool stuff that's getting ready to come out. And yet the market has been down. It's not down today, but it's been down, and I get it. We are 50, and I have this website up, 58% from all-time highs for Litecoin. I was watching Crypto Daily, his last video, he covered this website. Didn't even know about it. athcoinindex.com, really cool. You can kind of track how far away we are for any crypto from all-time highs. So go check that out. Let's look at coin market cap in the green today. Pretty crazy, crazy gains. Yesterday would have been an amazing day to buy the dip. I hope you were. And look at all these, look at all this green. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you look at the market cap on the chart here, could that be it right there? That 270 billion-ish area. Could that be the low? Could that be the bottom? Only time will tell. Pretty crazy. We came from almost $1 trillion. We were cruising up towards $1 trillion at one point. And here we are where we are now. I want to look at the Litecoin charts. Very interesting, very telling things happening. There it is, the possible bottom of the triangle, the possible reversal of this correction. Huge symmetrical triangle. And really what I want to look at in this video is what are we looking for to happen? And as always, I'm revisiting. This is the previous triangle. Look how similar, where we had that bounce out of the triangle in November. And I want to look at something. I want to look at some similarities. So this is the 4-hour chart. So here is the November area, okay? Here's the 4-hour chart in today's time frame, where we are now. So let me open that up a little bit. Now, let's go to the November. This bottom that we had here before we broke out, it was a higher low. It was a higher low. I want to take out the Fibonacci retracement from that low to this brief uptrend right here we had, and then a pullback to 0.5 before we broke out. I want to look at where we are now using Fibonacci. Here's the low, the higher low that we had recently. We just bounced from. Let's go to the top, and here's the 0.5. We're not there, but 0.5 right at 150. Right at 150, which we can go over to GDAX. A pretty interesting and important support area for Litecoin right now. We need to maintain this area as the bottom. I mean, sure, we can you know, retrace and come bounce around and have a new another higher low here. But right now, what I'm looking for is this to be the bottom, and 150 I'm looking for support, because that would be a 0.5 on the retracement. And then this is, we can go back to November. This is the November 4-hour chart right here. And so we had this up 0.5 on the retracement, and then it bounced. We finally bounced up through the triangle. I'm not saying we're going to perfectly mimic that, but this I've been covering this similarities with this November chart here and our current chart here, these triangles, and the similarities have been insanely fun to watch and track, and they've been so accurate. So I'm continuing to track it. Why not? So, and not only just tracking it, but in the simple rules of a symmetrical triangle, we're looking for these things anyway, right? We're looking for this low right here to maintain and to hold. We don't want to break this low. We don't want to come and create new lows like down here. We do not want that to happen. So somebody asked me in a comment, what would happen if the symmetrical triangle breaks? Or, you know, what would happen if nothing happens and we just kind of trade out of it sideways through the end of the triangle? And I basically said my only concern would be if we eventually start trading below the support line, and we do so for 24 hours. That would be my biggest concern, and that's a whole nother video. If we start seeing signs of something like that happen, of course I'll do a video on it. But right now that's my only concern, and the chart is looking very messy right now. But what I'm looking for now is the 150 support to hold. And I mean, today's a great day to track it. Even some days we just want to let it go. We want the daily to close. But right now on the 4 hour, and you can probably even zoom in on the hourly and the 15-minute, really want to look for some interesting movement and interesting volume. We need that volume to take us to the area where we want to be, which is up here. So that's what we're looking for today. That's what we got going on. And I'll probably do some updates on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter if you're not following me. And I might do another technical analysis a little bit later today. I might be doing a couple technical analysis a couple times a day, just because right now we're getting at this apex. There's so much chatter, there's so much crazy sentiment going on in the market right now, and it's just really fun to cover price action. So I will probably doing a little bit more TA lately, and let's just have some fun with it. Trade safely, trade conservatively, invest conservatively, be careful out there. Don't FOMO into anything, and also don't buy into all the fake news. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're feeling in this market this Monday, as we have a pretty green day so far. I appreciate all of you watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Would love to have you as part of the channel. Thank you for coming by, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.